Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company, and recently I got to go on a cruise to Alaska, so I wanted to share some of my treasures with you. So I got to the quilt shop in Juneau, Alaska. The one I got to was Changing Tides, and I found some neat kits. And I found there's people that specialize in kits for Alaska and nearby areas. So this one's whales. You can see I have these nice pretty shades of water in batiks, and then these whales that are pre-cut out and fused, and the waves, and then it's got this gray that's the belly of the whales. So I thought that one was a lot of fun. And then I also found this one, which is the Northern Lights. So you can see I've started it. But this is the panel that goes with it. So I think that's going to be really neat. Obviously, since I bought it. Okay, and then the next place we went was Skagway, and I went to a quilt shop called Quilt Alaska, and we had seen, when we were in Seattle before we left, we went to the aquarium and saw otters, and then we saw some otters playing while we were on the cruise, so I bought this cute little one with otters, not pre-cut out, but that's okay, it'll be fun. And then I found this one, which is a Christmas tree. Let me show you the panel. This is the border. And here's the panel. Oops. And the way the shop had it done, they had crystals and they put them on the tree so it actually sparkled. And I wonder what that would look like even on these, some of these stars on there and on here. So anyway, that was fun I had. So if you go to Alaska, look up the quilt shops and have a little fun. See you again soon.